So all these things, and now we'll enter the data in the Excel sheet. So firstly enter, my title will be monthly budget, and see friends, enter is used to drop down online. See, I go for S4, and I'm going to create a columns first, and I'll create my bills and different months. In bills I'll create a different columns. In bills I'll go for rent, petrol, loans, food, and total. And for bills I'll write few months. Jan 2017, I'll focus on my monthly budget of 2017. Feb dash 2017, March dash 2017, and total. Now I'll enter the rent 1000, 2000, 2000, and the petrol 600, 500, 500, loan 1500, 1500, 1500, food 1000, 900, and 800. These are the expenses I have done, and I have written all this. And